Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Silvio here at Loft. Just to give you a quick update how the breeding season is going. I have weaned already 12 babies, or they're in the process of being weaned. They're doing good. I'll show you, I'll give you a quick update at the end of the video. And there are 4 babies left in here, but they are not quite ready. One is, but the other 3 are still not. And I'm just gonna wait for the one that the brother is ready, but he's not, so I want to take them together. I added my breeding records cards in here, just so I can show you guys. For instance, we have Red and Pierce. Red is Mulliman and Jensen lines on the father side, and the doll Jen Harden on the dam side, and the babies are here. Because there's so many, I decided to go with a theme. The theme will be liquors or drinks, and I got Campari and Malibu for these 2 guys. Okay, these guys are on eggs. We have Craneless, the cock. He's of a Ludoclyson and Gavi Van Denabil lines. And I usually have the sire, the first name, and then the second name would be the hen. I don't know if that matters, but for instance, the hen here, she is of Albert Derwa and Guy Van Owera. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing the names, but I really don't know. And their babies are tequila and vodka. So, and let's move on here. Okay, these guys are on eggs. Okay, that's Nosy there. And here's their card. So I'm waiting to get the pedigree on these guys from John, but I know they're good birds, very good birds. For instance, Indifferent is the hen, and she was 35th at the Central Jersey Combine out of 1,600 birds at the 300 miles. So that's pretty good. Okay. These guys I showed you last time. They had their eggs twice, and they were unfertile. So I cleaned up the cock's feathers in the area just to see if that will help. But I've actually seen him go on top of her, but I don't know. It's like he doesn't know what to do. I know he's young. He's from 2020, but still, he should be good to go. But he's not doing his thing right. So White Tiger there and Midnight. I saw them kiss last week, and I thought they were onto something, but there's really nothing going on with them. This would be their box here, and their line. Let's see here. So these of Jan Harden long distance lines, and she's of Cannibal Dick Von Dick lines. Most of my birds are of middle distance to long distance birds, and I'm gonna see how they do in the short distance, but maybe next year I'm going to have to acquire some short distance lines just to mix and see if I can well, it all depends on the results this year. This guy is Kruger from Audi Kruger. That's not his box, but he's there. And he's of short to mid distance, so he's the only one that's in that category. Everybody else, I got a lot. Some of them are mixed with Jensen, but they're not all for short distance. So show you these two babies are still here. One is ready, the other one is not, so I'm gonna wait till both are good to go. Okay, and so we have Mimosa and Mojito for the babies. Okay, and we have Rosie. She's of Golden Matins Hollywood lines from Joe Aloka birds, and they're very good winning bloodlines. So between Joe Aloka and John Manuez birds, I got some of them crossed with each other, and some are strictly one couple is strictly John, one couple is strictly Joe, and I'm hoping that I'll get good results with both, and then them crossed. And these are the last two. These are the youngest ones, and they're not ready yet, but I'm thinking by middle of the week I should have them ready to go to the young bird loft. Okay, these guys don't have eggs yet, but I think she's gonna lay either today or tomorrow. She's been in the nest for a while now. Okay, so that's it on this side. I'm going to give you an update now on the young bird loft, so stand by.